Hi, I'm BJ. Welcome to Science Time, experimenting at home. I'm at home today and you can do lots of experimenting at home. Do you like to do experimenting? Today we're going to experiment with rolling. Lots of things can roll. Here, I've got a ball. Do you have a ball at home? Balls are really good at rolling. Let's see. Oh, it's not rolling. Do you think I have to do something to it to make it roll? Maybe I'll give it a push. Let's see what happens. Then it rolls. You see, I gave the ball some of my energy, gave it to the ball, and it made the ball roll. Yeah. I wonder how else we could make the ball roll without pushing it. There's probably lots of different ways. Today, we're going to build a ramp. Have you ever seen a ramp before? A ramp is a slopey surface, often next to a set of stairs, and you can go up the ramp instead of walking up the stairs. And we can make a ramp out of anything. I'm going to use a chopping board today, but you can use cardboard, a large book, anything that's nice and flat and hard. Now a ramp needs to be up on one side and down on the other. So we're going to need something to hold it up. Here we go. Something like this. So here is our sloping ramp. Let's try our ball again. So I'll hold the ball at the top and we can experiment to see what happens. When we do an experiment, we have to ask a question, have a bit of a think about what we think might happen, and then we can test it. So, what do you think is going to happen when I let go of the ball? Have a think. Shall we test it? Can you say ready, set, go with me? Ready, set, go. It rolled. Excellent. I wonder what other things around the house can roll. I've got a whole collection of stuff here. Let's do some testing. Do you think this might roll? Let's test. It rolls. When things roll, they turn over and over as they move. This one's very good at rolling. It's a bit noisy too, can you hear that? I like that. So I'll put that in the yes rolling pile. Let's see, do we think this is going to roll? What do you think? Let's test. Is this turning over and over? It's not, is it? It's what we call sliding down the ramp. So this doesn't roll. We'll make a no rolling pile. What about a cardboard tube? Do you think that'll roll? Let's experiment. Yes, that rolls really well. Come back here, cardboard tube. We'll put this on our yes rolling pile. What about a bowl? Do you think that's going to roll? Shall we test? No, that's not rolling at all. It's not even sliding. It's just staying still. We'll put that in the no rolling pile. What about, oh, here we go, a car. Do you think that's going to roll? Let's test. No, it's not rolling. Wait a minute, let's try something else. What if I turn it the other way round? So the wheels are on the bottom. Now do you think it will roll? Let's test. Now it rolls. So we'll put that on the yes rolling pile. We'll get rid of the no rolling pile. We don't need those anymore. Let's take a closer look at the yes pile. What shape are these two rolling things? Do you see? They're round. Round things can roll very well. What about the car? That's not round. If we take a closer look at the wheels are round and they roll over and over really well. But when we had it this way, with the wheels up, it didn't roll, did it? I wonder if we changed the way we put these things, whether they would roll or not. That's something you can experiment with at home. You can try all different things around the house and to see if they roll or don't roll. Now it's time for a rolling race. We're going to roll 2 cardboard tubes and see which one wins. So I'll need another ramp. I'm going to use a book and some Lego blocks. So we'll put the blocks there and we'll put the book on top. Okay, you ready for our rolling race? Which one do you think will win? Ready, set, go. Hey, this one rolled further, didn't it? And this one rolled a shorter distance. Actually, it's a bit weird, because both the cardboard tubes look exactly the same. I wonder why they didn't roll the same distance. Let's have a closer look at our ramps. Are they the same or different? They're actually quite different, aren't they? This ramp is lower down, and it's also made of something different. So this one's made of a book and this one's made of a hard chopping board. So I wonder if it was the surface, the smooth or bumpy surface that made a difference, or whether it was the height, whether it was because this ramp was lower and this ramp was higher. It's hard to know because we changed two things, didn't we? We changed the surface of the ramp, what the ramp's made out of, but also the height of the ramp. So to make it a fair test, we just need to change one thing at a time to see which one affects how far things will roll. So I'll get rid of this ramp, we don't need you anymore. We'll just use this one ramp and we'll test them one at a time. Okay, so we'll see how far it goes. It rolled all the way to here. So we'll mark that with a peg so we remember how far it went. Now, we can use the same roll, but I'm going to change the height of our ramp. I'm going to make it lower. So now we'll make our ramp lower. Do you think that'll affect how far our cardboard roll rolls? Let's test. Yeah, it rolled a lot shorter distance, didn't it? Compared to where it rolled last time and where it rolled now. So I wonder if the height of the ramp affected how far it went. The shorter ramp made it go a shorter distance. I wonder if a taller ramp, what would happen there? You can experiment with that at home. But let's have a look. I'll put that back up to the height we started with, but let's try a different surface. We can put all different things on our chopping board to make it a different surface. I'm going to use a towel today. You can use a towel, you could use a woolen scarf, you could use foil, you can use all sorts of different things on top of your ramp to change the surface. So let's put a towel on top. And this time we're going to roll it on this surface. Hey, that feels a little bumpy. I wonder if that'll affect how it rolls. So we know the first time with the chopping board surface, it rolled that far. Now let's try with the towel surface. What do you think will happen? Let's test. It rolled a shorter distance. It didn't roll as far as it did before when it was just on the chopping board. Wow. So again, you can experiment at home with all different rolling. Try to change the height of your ramp, make it taller or shorter, or change the surface of your ramp. You make it a towel or anything you like. There's some other experimenting activities you can do at home with your ramp. I'm going to get our ball. Where's our ball? And I wonder if I can make the ball move without touching it. What do you think? I'm going to use a car. So if I roll this toy car down the ramp, what do you think might happen to the ball? Let's test. Hey! It made the ball roll. You can do this at home. You can set all different toys up, see if you can hit one toy with another toy, see if you can make the balls or your other toys move without even touching them. And there's another experimenting game you can do with ramps. This one will need a target. And I've just got a piece of paper here. You can use anything you like. And we're going to see if we can roll something down the ramp and for it to land on the target. So here we go. We'll get our cardboard tube. Let's see if it will land on the target. It rolled right past the target. So, I need to make it roll a shorter distance. I wonder if I can change the height of the ramp or maybe the surface of the ramp to make it roll shorter and land on the target. I've got lots of experimenting to do. You can try this at home as well. When you're experimenting at home, make sure you record the results of your experiment. You can take a photo or video like I have today, or draw a picture, and then I want you to share your results with me. I want to know all the great experimenting you're doing at home. So I'm going to keep experimenting now to try to land on the target, and you have fun experimenting at home. And I'll see you next science time, experimenting at home. Bye.